The title of what I send would have my name and then a pipe or the little vertical bar there and then my mobile number. And then less is more, right? Because what we don't want to do is have them draw conclusions from that email. And I'm not saying we want to be deceptive, but just some bullet points about what you do, right? We do for you, Sean, equipment rentals, correct? Equipment rentals for GCs and general. Now look at what you could do. You could then go right into a hook in that email. And the reason why I wanted to reach out to you personally is there is something that every subcontractor in commercial is having to deal with. Nobody's talking about it. I want to make sure you're aware of it. When you have time, I'm on my mobile. Or no, not even when you have time. Just I'm on my mobile. And then give your mobile number. But when we put too much into, they're never going to read that email. But regardless of the fact, they're probably still not going to read the email. So when you call them back 2 days later, they're going to say, hey, Sean, I didn't get a chance to read your email. And you're going to say, no worries, not why I was calling. Hey, what I wanted to do is there's a little secret that a lot of the roofing companies are kind of sharing with each other that I wanted to make sure you were aware of. And then you're going to go into your insight about renting the skid steer versus owning the skid steer, whatever that insight was. So I'm really less concerned about the email as I am just an opportunity for you to get off the phone, and then you have made good on your, as promised, here's my contact information, here's some bullet points about what we do, and then starting that back through again.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.